Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another one of our Tuesday Tech Tips. Today, we're asking Allan from Phillip's Precision to help us deep dive a little more into one of our previous Tuesday Tech Tips regarding the lock and load system. So we want to find out, Allan, how can you help us measure more parts faster with your fixturing system?
So most of you have seen a CMM machine with a one-piece grid plate covering the entire surface of the granite, but then we end up inspecting parts on a little 6x6 chunk of the corner. So why not build fixtures on a plate accommodating the size of your parts rather than the size of the machine? And here's a few things to consider. So a couple 6x6 and 6x12 plates are going to be far cheaper than a giant one-piece grid plate. Plus you can set your parts up away from the machine so that as soon as one part is done, you can quickly get that off the machine and put the next one to work. So the ability to be able to keep dedicated fixtures saved for repeat jobs reduces the tribal knowledge required to effectively build fixtures that perform. So once it's built, it can stay built and you can pass it off to an operator and let your high-level programmers continue to do high-level work. And if you get interrupted by first article inspection, it doesn't have to ruin your entire day. Use the CAD models of the inspection arsenal components and design fixtures at the same time that you're designing the parts and your shop floor fixtures. So fixtures can be built and ready when the parts come off the shop floor, eliminating spindle downtime and running at risk. So as you can see, the benefits of going with a quick swap modular fixturing system goes beyond the walls of the metrology lab. The savings that spills over into the entire production process is truly immeasurable, which is ironic coming from a department where it's all about measuring things.
Thanks, Allan. I hope that helped you guys out. If you need more information, don't hesitate to contact us or Phillip's Precision. Keep smashing that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one.